In this video, you will learn all about TestRail's Enterprise Edition and its features. As you might already know, many of TestRail's customers are some of the biggest players in their field. Therefore, TestRail Enterprise was designed to meet the needs of larger organizations with enterprise-level features and support. It is available for installation on a user's local server or on our cloud-based solution, like with our Standard Edition. To begin with, TestRail Enterprise comes with a single sign-on feature, or SSO for short. This allows the use of one set of login credentials to access multiple applications. SSO is widely used by large teams to mitigate the management of multiple usernames and passwords. TestRail's SSO feature allows administrators to integrate the software with their preferred SSO identity provider through the SAML 2.0 protocol and supports tools such as Okta or OneLogin. With this enterprise feature, administrators do not have to separate credentials for each application. They can simply create them once in the identity provider and then provide access to whichever applications are required. Once you configure the TestRail SSO feature, the users that have been authorized to use TestRail in the identity provider will be automatically authenticated. With SSO configured, you can continue to create users in TestRail, but force them to log in via the integrated SSO identity provider. You can set up your SSO configuration in the Site Settings menu of the administration page. Another important feature of the Enterprise Edition is the enhanced API performance. TestRail's Standard Edition enables API calls at a rate of up to 180 requests per minute. Enterprise customers benefit from optimized architecture that supports up to 300 requests per minute. That means faster test framework integration and improved synchronization of tests and results. Another feature of TestRail's Enterprise Edition is the audit log. The auditing functionality maintains a complete record of all changes made to entities within their TestRail instance. Administrators can monitor and trace every change on projects and cases, whether they occurred from within TestRail or externally. With the audit log, you can improve security significantly by easily viewing and filtering logs, specifying logging levels, and setting retention policies. The auditing configuration is available via the administration console. You can click on the site settings and then click on auditing. From there, you can adjust the audit levels to control what changes are documented within the logs. In the Configuration tab, you can also control the number of rows displayed on the log page. That goes along with the maximum number of audit records stored and the maximum number of days to store your audit records. Once the auditing is switched on, you can monitor changes in your TestRail instance by navigating through the Logs tab. These could be updates, deletions, and creations. Keep in mind that if you wish to export the log for a detailed analysis, you can do so by using the Export button. Another great feature of TestRail Enterprise is the ability to set your own preferred backup time and trigger your own automatic restores. We perform daily maintenance on all TestRail Cloud installations to create a full backup of all data which a member of our support team can restore at your request. By default, these maintenance periods are all performed in early morning hours UTC, but with TestRail Enterprise, you can configure your own preferred maintenance window to prevent any disruption. You can also trigger your own restores for backups taken by our automated system directly within TestRail without the need to contact support directly. Speaking of contacting support, one other benefit of TestRail Enterprise is access to a priority support queue, where our team of support engineers will ensure the fastest possible response time to all received requests. If you already have TestRail's Standard Edition and you'd like to upgrade your license to the Enterprise product, don't hesitate to contact us by clicking on the link in the description. That's all for now. We hope these videos have helped you learn a bit more about how TestRail can work for you. If you have any additional questions about TestRail, don't hesitate to reach out to us through the link in the video description. Thanks for watching!